So guys, since we are approaching the festive season and we are having a shortage of eggs, we are having shortage of the old chicks, I just wanted to give you some tips to watch out there, because now it's the time where a lot of scammers will be making money by scamming people. So I'm just gonna share my story. This happened last year around May, where a guy called me, and I've seen right now people are busy posting on the internet saying that they've been scammed. So with my story is that this guy calls me and then he says that Makwala, I'm looking for chickens. I'll be catering in Limpopo. I'm from KZN. We got a gig in Seshego. I see that you're around the area. Can you please supply me with chickens? I think they were looking for like 50 chickens slaughtered for the catering. They said it's a big wedding and don't. So they told me a story. Okay, cool, sharp, clean. So we exchange details. We exchange accounts details and so on. And then they say, sharp, we'll pay you deposit, and then the remaining amount it will be paid to you once you deliver the product. I'm like, clean, bro. I'm okay with it. Anyhow it works for you, I'm okay. If you want to pay me when I deliver, it's okay. If you want to pay me deposit first and deliver the full amount when I deliver, it's still okay with me. So sharp, this guy, on the day that he promised to pay the deposit for the chickens, what he did, he sent some funny SMSs. I guess game. Clean, the SMSs come in, said that 12,000 has been paid to my company's name and so on. I'm like, okay, 12k, all right. I check before I can even check my app, my FNB app, he calls now. He says, yo, listen up, Makwala, we have paid the deposit, but unfortunately the client has directly paid you the money that was supposed to be paid to us. So it's them now saying that their client was supposed to give them the deposit and my deposit, but unfortunately the client decided to pay the whole amount into one account, which is my account. So now they're saying, so Makwala, please take your cut from the 12,000 that have been sent to your account. I think I was supposed to take 2.5, and then they said please transfer 10,000 to our account. We'll send you the details. I was like, oh, okay, clean, bro. I'll do that as soon as the money reflects into my banking account, because right now it hasn't been reflected. The guy was like, okay, cool, yeah, okay, it's fine. Once the money reflect, please send the rest of the money to us. I'm like, no, clean, bro, it's chilled. And then he calls the following day. Hey, Joe Makwala, have you got the money? I'm saying, no, bro, it haven't reflected yet. He says, okay, I connect the client. The client says maybe it will take 3 days. So we need to travel from KZN to Limpopo. Can you please transfer us 5,000 for the petrol? And then the rest will transfer as soon as it reflects. Can you please transfer from your own money? And I'm like, bro, I don't even have 5k in my account, so I cannot transfer it. He was like, okay, even 1,000 is still cool, man. We just need to pay petrol so we can drive down to Limpopo, and then we'll buy the grocery when we are there, because that money was for us to actually buy grocery. So now we don't know what to do. I'm like, nah, it's fine. Call your client to pay you the money, because I'm not gonna take mine and give it to you. What if this one doesn't reflect? He said, no, bro, we're not scammers. What don't do? And I'm like, red flag now. If you wanna talk about yourself not being a scammer, you know that this guy is a scammer. So clean, I didn't proceed with any payment. After 3 days, I tried to call the guys. The calls doesn't go through. The phone is not working anymore. So guys, watch out to this kind of SMSs. Watch out to this kind of scammers. They will send you this funny SMS. You'll even be confused. No, this one is the one. So since the festive season approaching my face, I'm just saying, let's be safe out there. We know that we're running businesses, but let's not be hungry for money, because we ended up falling into the traps and we ended up being scammed. So Tango, that's my story, guys. So I'm just want to give people light that hey bafethu kilizemba machita azola no banna banyakuya go Diamond Hawk, they want to go then buy Gucci's. So be careful of it. So people wanna pop up bottles in the festive season. So right now, if you're running a small business or any business actually, just be careful with those kind of SMS, those kind of payment that will say they've made it to your account. From Makwal Agri, Tango.